Zippo the Super Hippo, written by Kes Gray and illustrated by Nikki Dyson. "Oh, I wish I was super," said Zippo the Hippo to his best friend Roxy the Oxpecker. "I think you're super," said Roxy. "I mean, I wish I had a superpower," said Zippo.
"What sort of superpower?"
asked Roxy. "Something exciting, something amazing, something big," said Zippo.
"Everyone has a superpower," said Roxy. "You just have to work out what yours is."
"What's your superpower?" asked Zippo.
"I can stand on no legs," said Roxy.
"I can't even stand on 3 legs," said Zippo.
"You do have a rather large bottom," said Roxy.
"Is plotting a superpower?" said Zippo. "I'm really good at plotting."
"Not really," said Roxy.
"Is getting money a superpower?" asked Zippo. "I'm brilliant at getting money."
"Not exactly," said Roxy. "What else can you do?"
"Splash! I'm good at swimming," said Zippo. "And splashing and splashing and splashing."
"There's nothing very super about splishing and sploshing and splashing," said Roxy. "How about flying? Have you ever tried flying?"
"I haven't even thought about flying," said Zippo.
"Then you should," said Roxy. "Flying is so easy. I've been doing it ever since I was an egg. Just imagine how super it would be if you could fly."
"You're right," said Zippo. "If I could fly, I could get a super cape and some super boots, and I could fly around the world being Zippo the Super Hippo."
"In that case, follow me," said Roxy excitedly. "It's time for your very first flying lessons."
Well, Zippo climbed to the edge of a very high waterfall. He flapped his arms, like Roxy, and jumped.
"Ah!
Kerplush!
Sorry!"
Zippo climbed to the top of a very tall tree. He quacked like a duck, quack, and jumped.
"Sorry!"
And Zippo climbed to the top of a very steep cliff, squawked like a vulture,
Squawk!
and jumped. "Sorry! I don't think flying's really my thing," said Zippo.
"But landing is," said Roxy. "Did you see what happened each time you landed?"
"I squashed someone," said Zippo.
"You didn't just squash him," said Roxy. "You got him with your bottom."
"I got him with my bottom," said Zippo.
"You got him with your bottom,"
said Roxy.
"You came out of the sky in your Super Hippo costume, and you got him with your Super Hippo bottom."
"So I did," said Zippo.
"You're not a Super Hippopotamus, Zippo," said Roxy. "You're a Super Hippopotamus."
"So I am," said Zippo.
"This could be the start of something big," said Roxy.
"How big?" asked Zippo.
"Super big,"
said Roxy. Zippo the Super Hippo, written by Kes Gray and illustrated by Nikki Dyson.